All right, fire fans, watch this train squish this pile of snow. Oh, yeah. Oh, squish it. Oh, look at it. That's awesome. Look at those icicles. Oh, fartsicles. Oh, I don't even want to do it. I was hoping it was going to fart, but instead, watch this. I heard a couple little farts, but I thought the squishy pants, you know, squishing the snow down, that was kind of cool. But I sacrificed a fart for squishy pants, so nothing like squishy pants in a blizzard. Not really a blizzard, but hey, got you to click on it, right? Sorry about that. Fartage later.